How to add shortcut keys to open USB files or USB pen drive in your laptop or computer. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I don't have any USB cable that is joined in my computer, but I will show you another trick or using another file to do the process. So first right click in the file and then simply copy it. After that, paste it over here in the home section, in the home page. After it is completed, after the shortcut is pasted, simply right click on it and then go to its properties. Now go to shortcut and then in this none section, simply add the shortcut that you want and apply it like this. And now when I press Ctrl plus Alt plus C, it will open this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.